In this video, we are going to discuss the wireless alarm zone type. Please refer to page 11 in the manual. This is for the LZ G62 alarm. There are 4 types of zone alarm. By default, all the wireless zone alarms are set to 1. And what this means is whether you arm the system using ARM or home, your accessories like the PIRs or door sensors or any other your wireless devices will trigger the alarm. You can set the wireless zone type to 0, meaning that whether it is armed or disarmed or home armed, the device will not trigger the alarm. That is zone type 0. Zone type 2 is when you set your outdoor PIRs and your indoor PIRs to be on home. Meaning, let's say it's the weekend, you're staying at home. Instead of pressing the arm button, you press the home button, and the PIRs inside, even though they detect movement, they will not trigger the alarm. Only your outside PIRs will trigger. The next type is type 3, and what this is regardless of whether the alarm is armed or disarmed or home armed, when the device triggers, it's going to send the alarm. So as an example, we've got our PIR here. Let's arm the system.
System armed.
And by default, when this moves, the alarm will go off.
Zone. SOS alarm. System disarmed.
We're going to change this zone type to type 3. To do so, put in your password and then press hash.
Please enter instructions.
Put in 26. And the next 2 numbers will relate to your zone number. So this is currently on zone 2. So we'll put in 02 for zone 2. And then the next number is the type. And the type number ranges from 0 up to 3. And we're going to put this on 3. Once you've completed, press hash.
Set come through. Please enter instructions.
Press star hash to exit out of the menu. If you want to continue setting up your wireless zones, you can just press 26, your zone number and the zone type. We're going to exit the menu. And as you can see, the alarm is currently disarmed. And I'm going to trigger this alarm. And normally, it won't trigger when it's disarmed. But because we've changed the zone type for zone 2 to 3, it will trigger regardless of whether it is armed or disarmed or in home armed.
2. Zone. SOS alarm. System disarmed.
So this is on zone 2. We're now going to change the state, the type, to 0, meaning whether or not this, when this is triggered, it will not trigger the alarm. To do so, put in your password and then press hash.
Please enter instructions.
Put in 26. Put in the zone number you want to change. In this example, this door sensor is on zone 2, so we'll put in 02. And we're going to put in the zone type, which is 0. Press hash.
Set come through. Please enter instructions.
We're going to press star hash to exit out of the menu. Okay, now we're going to trigger the door sensor. Okay, it does not trigger the alarm. We're going to arm the system.
System arm.
We're going to trigger the door sensor. And as you can see now, this door sensor, because its type is 0, it will not set off the alarm. The next one we're going to do is zone 2, which means we're going to put this door sensor as a home arm. To do so, put in your password and then press hash.
System disarm. Please enter instructions.
Put in 26. Put in the zone number. So this is on zone 2, so we'll put in 02. Put in the type, which is 2. Press hash.
Set come through. Please enter instructions.
Press star hash to exit out of the menu. So, on your remote, there is ARM, which is that button. If you do press this one, then all your PIRs, whether it has been set up as home or outdoor, will trigger the alarm system. But if you want this to not trigger when you're at home, you'll then press the home button, home arming.
System arm.
Okay.
System disarm.